Hey everybody, this is Jim at SP500chart.com. It is 2:52 on the East Coast here on November 12th, 2013. That would be 11/12/13. And we're going to take a look at what's taking place in the S&P pretty quickly here because I've got to run in just a bit. Just need to remind you, as always, that the website and the video are for educational purposes only, and nothing stated at the site or in the video is intended to be used as investment advice. I can draw lines on charts, but you have to draw your own conclusions from your own research and make investment decisions that are suitable for your personal financial situation. I am not a licensed financial professional. Honest to goodness, I'm just a guy who draws lines on charts, but let's take a look. Okay, the first thing I want to remind you of is I am looking at this area up here just under 1775, but for government work, let's call it 1775. It's probably closer to 1774, but whatever. 1775 is good enough for me. I'm looking at this area as a resistance line that, if taken out, should produce a move over 1800 in the S&P. Not by a lot, but over. And we had an inverted head and shoulders pattern back here over about a 5-day period. It broke out but then failed. We came down deeper, and my feeling was then maybe this was a left shoulder and this is a head. Yesterday we came back up about to that neckline, close enough once again for government work. And now we have had some selling pressure today, which does not surprise me, really. I mean, it looked like we were maybe going to just go sideways right here and then attack this line yesterday. But you know, the fact is we paused there, and then today we come down. Now what I want to show you on a 5-minute chart here, actually we'll go to a 3-minute, is the selling that has taken place today has done so in a fairly tight little pattern. And just not that long ago, about 25 minutes ago, that little pattern looks like it maybe wants to break out to the upside. Now remember, we have an important support line down here and a fairly important one right here. So my goal for the day, if I had my druthers and I could lock this in and write the script, I would say we close over this line, and this ends up being a pennant consolidation, a little reversal off of this nice move up that renews and gets a little bit more strength into the S&P for another go at this level up here around 1774 or 1775. Now, so let's do this. This is going to be the video for 11/12/2013. Let's do this. I just said that. Well, let's do it again. Let's see if this little bull... Let me back up. Let's see if this little pattern between these two lines indeed acts as a bull flag, and let's see if we get a move up now, maybe after a little back test or something, but let's see if we get a move up either later today or tomorrow to go and re-challenge those levels in the 1770s. So that's pretty much it, guys. We are currently underneath important resistance, but we're also above very important support and above fairly important support. So you can see here, this would be our potential pattern in development as I speak. And if we get over this line right here, then I believe the handwriting is on the wall. If I can get to my little handle there, that we should see about 1802, something like that, in the S&P. So guys, that's kind of a short version, but really just take today's video and add to it what we talked about over the weekend and what we discussed yesterday, and I think really today we're just kind of fine-tuning a few things a little bit. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care, and thank you for your support.